Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry cheesecake brownies. They're fudgy brownies with a cheesecake layer and a swirl of homemade strawberry sauce on top. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the strawberry sauce so it has time to chill. Wash the strawberries. Pat them dry, and cut off the green part. And you can use frozen strawberries, but they do take longer to cook because they release a lot more liquid when they thaw. Add the strawberries into a food processor or blender, and add in the sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and blend them until they're smooth. Pour through a fine sieve into a small saucepan to strain out all the seeds. Just keep pushing it until as much of the liquid goes through as possible. It does take a while. Place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until it bubbles, stirring it occasionally. Once it's bubbling, turn the heat down to medium-low and keep it over the heat for another 20 to 30 minutes until it reduces and thickens, stirring it occasionally so it heats evenly and to keep it from burning at the bottom. Make sure it's slowly bubbling the whole time. If it's bubbling too rapidly, turn down the heat. If it's not bubbling at all, turn up the heat. Once it's reduced and thick, remove it from the heat. Pour it into a small jar or any airtight container, and place it into the fridge until it's cold. Then preheat the oven to 325 degrees. To make the brownie batter, in a large bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and whisk them until they're well combined. If the mixture feels quite hot, you need to let it cool down, because if it's too hot, it will cook the eggs. Once it's cooled down, add in the eggs, add vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the flour, cocoa powder, and salt, and mix them just until they're combined. Then add in the chopped dark or semi-sweet chocolate, or you can use chocolate chips, and fold them in until they're evenly distributed throughout the batter. To make the cheesecake batter, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, and egg that's at room temperature, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're well combined. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square pan. Pour the brownie batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. Then pour the cheesecake batter on top of it. Spread it out. Then add dollops of the strawberry sauce on top of it. You're not going to need all of it. And use a chopstick or skewer to marble it, trying not to go all the way down into the brownie batter. Then bake it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes until the top is browned and the cheesecake layer is set. It will brown quite a bit. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Once it's completely cooled, wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least an hour until it's cold. Since this is cheesecake, it's best served cold. When it's nice and chilled, remove it from the fridge and serve. And that's how to make strawberry cheesecake brownies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.